yang tiu dari luar yang Shillong lagi. Isi satu hendak siap ada buat ini rasa dari Bangladesh. Kalau Shillong pasal Shillong, pasal kita berbeda kita masalah. Karena punya rasa nak mana buahnya tunggakan berfaham hari orang bangkit berbah alam.
And it tells quite clearly in Matthew 28 in the Bible, go therefore and make disciples of all the nations.
I take this opportunity to invite members of the public for the screening of the third part of my Identity Trilogy films, which is called The Blood and the Border. Preceding The Blood and the Border, I started off with Where the Clouds End, which was commissioned from an early filmmaker fellowship that I received in 2015. The film should be available on the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform. The second part of that trilogy, which is also available on the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform, is Because We Did Not Choose, about the participation of the Khasi Jantia and Garo laborers during the First World War. The third part of the trilogy examines the rituals of the Khairam Kingdom. It also examines the encounters of the community with Christian missionaries during the 1800s, in particularly the Welsh missionaries. And it's also a significant film because in the entire history of the mission, more than 180, 190 years now, it is the first time that the Welsh Presbyterian Church, the General Secretary of the Welsh Presbyterian Church, has apologized to the Khasi people. So it is a significant film in that context, especially the atmosphere in India where we are at the moment. And at the same time, the film also examines the relevance of these traditional forms of administration in contemporary India. I've had the wonderful opportunity of having this film premiere at the Migrant Voices of European Cinema in the UK last year, and it is of great joy that this film finally comes to St. Anthony's College, Shillong, my alma mater, on the 23rd of August at 5 p.m. It is a free screening, and I look forward to meeting and interacting with the audience, and also to share the film with everyone. It's about 1 hour, 59 minutes to be precise. The other people who were involved in the additional camera is Mbor Sayu, a very promising young director of photography from the state of Meghalaya itself. The entire production is being executed by a technical team from Meghalaya itself, whom I've been fortunate in the past to have also involved them in my previous productions. Dalam penbiang yang film, kumju ya ke additional camera dan ke rupam bendur lagi kena sama dengan portion longi, when kita ada Mbor Sayu. But mayola tu sa sisin menteri lang bagi kena ki benang ni kejelagi ki belayar ina yang film ba mensua Di kalau ke iru ke ba let's say thosai ba niru dan yang kata kasap nyemduna ya kiwi akbede ban nyujor ka kamring durjuni bat ka thosai ru ba lade ke puar ba mengiru ni akan kata capability dan kita capacity dan kita puar ikhtiar ba nila ban slide ki film ba to dan ki bekedo shangka imnang salan juni agabedi ka music ka subtem kede na ki duhalia jong ke makhiru ngaingu uru iki nomor ba hakitu ki license source nem bangabut bangaring kila ailat denga ban song ban yemir jimut ban yedonlang ringkat batki wat ngila yo uru kata kabuk siang bangala yo ta kabuk siang nomor ba kila ailat denga ban tegi kita ki subtem ki balesi lada kim liang nani kim ailat ketemu nala diru nganum yo ay kataka opportunity na din kabuban so to kam jana shu pangkini ki berkompeten jenggu kasih